by the shake in its hand. We know where the foxes cross soft in the sand. Mother, you're turning slow as the tide. We bring you our songs from the far sky. We never stop caring, our mother. We never stop caring, our mother. Over the canopies, over the clay, we keep one wing on you day after day. We tap at the window of cut cedar scars. We circle the clearings and count the bent stars. A leaf in our throat, a reed in our feet. We stitch up the silence with rain and with heat. Mother, we see you in mud and in stone. Every small water still knows your name. We never stop caring, our mother. We never stop caring, our mother. Over the canopies, over the clay, we keep one wing on you day after day. If the long roots tremble, we tremble too. If the river goes thin, we carry it through. One blue bead of water, one seed in the palm. We fly back to mom.